Hi, and welcome to this piano and singing tutorial. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the A major, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then, the E major over G sharp, composed of the B, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Then, the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of F sharp. And eventually, the D major, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. And I will teach you two ways to play this introduction. Here's a first simple playing method where you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play nothing. And for now, don't worry about the offbeat counts. We will see that in a minute. So the whole chart would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as indicated, you will replay this chart one more time with the lyric.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
Or a second playing method which is much closer to the original version. And now we will focus on the red counts. This time you will be counting like this. 1, 2, and 3. So the second time you're gonna play the chord, it'll be on the offbeat, so on the end. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the E major over G sharp on the fourth beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will do the same thing for the F sharp minor and the D major. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing for the F sharp minor and the E major. 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same with the A major and the D major. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole chart would sound like this. First, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now at normal speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will replay this chart one more time with the lyric. And in order to make you feel the difference between the two methods, I will play it once with the first method and then with the second method.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
Now, second method.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
So just choose the method you prefer and then you can move on to the musical section. Let me show you the corresponding chart.
I want you and your beautiful soul.
Verse, and it'll be played with a new chart. So here it is, and let's continue with the first playing method.
I know that you are something special. To you, I'd be always faithful. I want to be what you always needed. That I hope you see the heart in me. I don't want another pretty face.
And you reach the chorus again. So here's the corresponding chart, and notice that it is exactly the same order as the introductory chorus. So you either play with the first method.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
and you repeat this chord a second time, or you can use the second playing method with the offbeat chords. So here's the introductory chorus chord again, and let's continue with the chorus lyric.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
And at this point, you will reach a second musical section, which you can play by reusing the chart from the first musical section, played twice in a row, and then you could continue into the second verse and the second chorus using the corresponding charts. But you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Here's a readapted chart, and this time you will play like this. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do this on every chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you continue.
You might need time to think it over, but I'm just fine. Moving forward, I'll ease your mind. If you give me the chance, I will never make you cry. Come on, let's try. I don't want another pretty face.
Second chorus. Here's the corresponding chart, and let's continue with the same playing method.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul.
And on the word soul, a bridge will begin, played with a completely different chart. Let me show it to you right now, and let's continue with the lyric.
I want you and your beautiful soul.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Am I crazy?
And you will replay these 2 more times.
Am I crazy for wanting you? Maybe do you think you could want me too? I don't wanna waste your time. Do you see things the way I do? I just wanna know that you feel it too. There is nothing left to hide. I don't want another pretty face.
And now you reach the final chorus, which you can play using the corresponding chart and the method of your choice. This song will finish with the musical section chart, which you can repeat as many times as you like before ending this song with the A major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.